Hello dear, welcome to Microsoft Office Word tutorial, and in today's video I will be showing you the basic parts of a computer keyboard. Without the keyboard, it will be very hard for you to operate on your system, and especially working on Microsoft Office Word software. So without much ado, let's roll the intro. You are welcome back. The first part of a keyboard that I'm going to talk about is the functional key. A functional key is labeled from F1 to F12. You can use them alone or together with any other key. When we get to Controls key in Microsoft Office Word, we are going to talk better about how these keys work. Now, the second part or the second category of a keyboard is the typewriter's key. A typewriter keys, they are standard alphanumeric key. These are the keys that allow you to press alphanumeric key. Alpha means alphabet, while numeric means number. Now, for an example, let me give you an alpha key. Is I want to type, this is a numeric key, I'm typing a letter here, and then an alpha key, which is alphabetical key, is this English word. So those are the typewriter's key. Now, the third part of a keyboard is the cursor or arrow keys. These keys are also called cursor key. I mentioned it earlier. However, on laptop, examples of cursor or arrow key, they are the home and page up or page down, insert and delete. Those are the example of cursor or an arrow key. Now, the third part, now let me show you the cursor or an arrow key. These are this, and also these ones also on your PC, they are also an example of cursor on arrow key. Now, the next key is numeric keypad. These keys are sometimes cursor keys and other times number key, but they are majorly on your desktop computer. The split personality is evidenced on each key card, which display two symbols. Let me show you on this image I have at this place. I have it. This is a numeric key. However, it is not on PC. Your personal laptop's keyboard, except you use an external mic. In your PC, it is already embedded at your 1, 2, 3, 4. So instead of putting it there, it's probably the manufacturers of those keyboard thought if we put something like this there, then it doesn't mean, it may not matter to put this one there. Now, for you to see it very well, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have it here also on the laptop. So instead of having the two on your laptop, then they prefer to use one. Don't worry, everything will be explained better when we get to shortcuts in computer. Now, the next category of keys are shift keys, control and alt key. Now, these keys, they don't do anything by themselves. Instead, the key work in combination with other key. Now, let me show you the picture. They are shift key, alt key, control key, and then shift key. They are example of shift key. You can use, if you press them, it doesn't have effect except you press it with another key. When we get to shortcut, we will talk about that better. Now the next one is the enter key. Enter key, you can use this key to end a paragraph of a text. That's the function of an enter key. I'm going to give you an example in our next video. Now the next part is the escape key. It is also called a cancel key. Escape key, this is where it is. And then the last one is the space bar, and then it is also called an erasing key. This is a space bar. It is also called a typewriter key. So this is what I have for you today in this short tutorial about getting to know more about your system. Follow me in the next tutorial, because I am going to break down this part of every keys, their functions, and what they are used for in Microsoft Office Word. Please take time to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell today.